Dear learners, I welcome you once again to this channel. So in this video, I will help you to understand if you haven't learned this topic or recall it for you in case you forget. So the topic is how to add or subtract two rational numbers. So let us take two examples. So the first one, if we take a rational number, say the first is 7 by 8, then we add with a second rational number, say 3 by 12. So how to add these two rational number? So the rule is not straightforward. So we have to remember this. So the first step we have to do if we have to add or subtract any two rational number is find LCM of denominator. So in this example, the denominator are 8 and 12. So to find the LCM, so we factorize this into primes, or we decompose this as a product of primes. So for 8, we can write as 2 into 2 into 2, and then for 12 we can write as 2 into 2 into 3. So the LCM, so we take the common factor, that is 2 into 2, and then those factors which are not common also will take it here. So the remaining factor are 3 and 2. So if we multiply, so this is 24. So after we got the LCM of the denominator, so we write it in the denominator. Then what should we write in the numerator? So the rule is, so the second step is now LCM into corresponding term. So to get the first term here, then you multiply that first term, which is 7 by 8, by the LCM of the denominator, which is 24. So here 8 and 24 cancel with 3. Then this 3 with this 7 multiply, we get 21. So we write it here. So this is the first term. To get the second term, so in the same way, we multiply the second term by the LCM, that is 3 by 12, you multiply by the LCM. So here LCM with 12 cancel, we get 2. So this 2 multiply with 3, we get the second term, which is 6. So now we add this, so it will be 27 by 24. So this is the sum of this two rational number. Now let us look at the second example, which is a little bit different from the first one. So let us take the first rational number as 2 by 3. The second, say 4 by 5. So the first rule is same. We find the LCM of the denominator. But now if we take the denominator, that is 3 and 5. So this two denominator has no common factor except 1. So whenever the denominator have no common factor, the LCM will be their product. So here no common factor. So remember this, when the denominator have no common factor, or when any two number have no common factor, their LCM will be their product. So in this case, LCM will be 15. So in this case, then we can simply cross multiply, or what we call butterfly rule. So just like a butterfly. So 5 with 2 multiply will be 10, and 3 with 4 multiply will be 12. So if we add this, so this will be 22 by 15. So these are the two different way we can add two rational number. If they have a common factor, first find the LCM of those denominator. If they don't have common factor, then we can use this method, what we call what butterfly rule of addition of rational number.